Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Today's video is going to be on my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of October. The makeup products I'm currently wearing are actually from the box. I made a makeup tutorial on these items. It will be linked down below in the description of this video, so make sure you check it out. Okay guys, so I have my little envelope here, or pamphlet. So this month's theme is Alter Ego. And on the back you have a 10% off your next purchase code just for you, Boxy, for a cosmetics. Sorry, I'm super shaky. Okay, so we open it up, and the first thing I see is this. Let me put this right here so I can just keep pulling things out. The first thing I see is the let's start over. Dermovia Lace A Peel with Compression Technology Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. That's what it looks like. Intense exfoliating facial mask with compression lace support. Peel intensity level medium. 2 lace mask plus 20 ml tube. This is really cool. And this retails for $30. The next thing, I'm gonna go off the list of this. The next thing we have is this item right here. The It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. Wow, that's a mouthful. This retails for $24. I actually do have a sample size of this mascara from, it's not sample size. I do apologize for the background noise. Alfonso is building something, so I apologize. So this is the mini size for $12, and then this is the one from Boxycharm full size for $24. So basically 2 of the mini equals 1 of the big. And I'm actually wearing that mascara right now, and I actually got a compliment today, so I know this is a good mascara. Does it mean my better than sex? I don't know yet, but maybe. Okay, so the next thing we have are the masks. After the masks we have the Pure the Complexion Authority. Basically Pure Cosmetics. This is the Midnight Masquerade palette. The 10-piece face palette will take any look from natural to innocent to sultry and mysterious. This limited edition palette is arranged from high pigmentation and buildable shades. That is true. This is very creamy and pigmented, yes. And this retails for $38. Let me show you the palette. These are the shades right here. I'm actually wearing this green shade on my lid right now, and I really love it. I'm actually going to do a few more looks with this, so stay tuned. Tonight we'll be uploading a makeup tutorial, this one here, but I will also be uploading another one soon, so stay tuned for that. I will put swatches right here, right next to me, right in the next clip, so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, and the next thing we have is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and this is worth $20. So this is it right here, Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, in the shade Bow and Arrow. I hope you guys can see that. Okay, so this retails for $20, and I'm wearing it on my lips right now. I really like it. It did last a long time, everlasting. I ate, and it lasted maybe 2-3 hours or more. But yes, it's really good. I like it a lot. The shade is very pretty. And the last product in here is Briogeo. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. I apologize. It's the Don't Despair Repair Strength Plus Moisture Leave-In Mask. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like right here. You get 16, I'm sorry, I don't know why I got 16. 2 fluid ounces. And this retails for $16. This super moisturizing and strengthening leave-in conditioner provides repair benefits and beyond. Its unique formula and micro ergonomic optimal blend of you guys get the deal. Pretty cool. So today's box equals a total of, let's find out. Okay, you guys, this month's Boxycharm, October 2018's Boxycharm, is worth $128. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. So yes, that's awesome. And you, again, if you guys don't know, I should have said this in the beginning, I apologize. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. You pay monthly $21, including shipping, and you get 5, sometimes 6 full-size products. So if you're interested, click the link down below. It's free. I have no affiliate code. It's nothing like that. Just a link to sign up and check it out. I really love it. I've had it almost a year now, and it's awesome. So make sure you guys check it out. And if you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new here, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye!